Hello everyone, today I have Pusheen Box. This is the only one that I've gone for now, but I do hope to get it again in the future, but I just wanted to get it and see what it's like, so yeah, we'll have a look and let's see what I got. But how cool is the box though? Like, it's actually of Pusheen and it's even got the feet on the back, and then yeah, like the front there, like I showed. Even the box is pretty cool. So, and I even have a Pusheen t-shirt, as you can see. Hi! Yeah, let's see what's inside. So first we have these earmuffs, Pusheen earmuffs. Look how cool. And then the other one, they look the same. Very cool. Now we'll keep my ears warm in winter. This is the winter box, even though it's summer right now for me, but that's okay. It's going to be winter here soon, so it works out. So next we have some Pusheen pillowcases. So let's have a look at them. Take this off. Oh. Oh, cool. So this says morning on it, and then on the back it says night. Oh, cool. That's very awesome. And I guess this one's probably the same, but let's see. Oh. Yes, it is. That one is the same. Oh, those are so cool. I like that. Yeah, I'm a bit obsessed with Pusheen, and I have a lot of the pop vinyls that have come out of Pusheen, so I still have to get a few more, but they aren't out yet. But when they're out, I will get them. So next, well, actually, this is the card that says what you get, and it's Pusheen, and this is Pip on the Santa sleigh. So here it is. I don't know why it says winter 2018. Maybe before they send you like the crates for this year, they sent me one from last year before you get the crates for this year. I don't know. This is the only one that I'm getting for now because I had to cancel it, but I do hope to get this crate again in the future. So at least I got one for now, which is good. So next we've got, oh, okay. This is actually stuck to the crate. Oh, okay, I got it. So let's see what this is, what it says on the card. It's a hooded blanket. Oh, and there you go, as you can see. And then, oh wow. Whoa, look at this. Oh, how cool. That will keep me warm for sure once it's winter here. Oh, look how awesome. And then you put it around you like this. Oh, and it has buttons on it as well that you can, if I can get the other side. Yeah, and it has, so you get this and then this. Oh, well, and then it should clip together. I can't do it. Yeah, and then you aren't cold anymore, even though I'm gonna take this off because it's hot. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. Oh, that's so awesome. That messed my hair up though. Oh well, it doesn't matter. yeah, anyway, next we have some socks. Pusheen socks. And he's wearing a Christmas hat. So again, these will keep... I get really cold feet in winter, so these will definitely help, and then my feet won't be cold anymore. What else do we have? Latte stencil. Oh, so when you make a coffee and you know, like when you go to like a restaurant or a cafe and they put like a design on the coffee, you can do that at home now, and it can be a Pusheen design. I won't open it, but yeah, that's cool. Next we have a Christmas card that I probably won't ever open or give to anyone, so... Oh, well, I guess I can open it, but I probably won't ever give it away or give it to anyone, so I'll just keep it for myself. Oh, oh, maybe this, okay. Oh, there's 2 cards. I was like, why is there 2 envelopes and there's only 1 card, but the other card was inside, so this is 1 card there. And then that's the other one. Oh, so cool. These are just the envelopes that you put them in. Yeah. Very cool, but they probably won't get used. I'll just keep them for decoration or something. And now we have a... It says felt garland. So this is like a little... let's see what that card says and see what these are. Oh, okay, so it's like a decoration thing where you like put it across like that, and like you can put it on the wall or something. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Open it. Let's see. Do I have to... Oh, okay. You don't have to... I thought maybe you have to put it together, but you don't. But yeah, you can see like that, what it's supposed to be. So you hang it on the wall like across there or something, and then it's a decoration for you. Oh, wow. I thought you maybe have to put it together, but it's good that you don't and it's already all together. Very good. So the last thing in this Pusheen box that for now is this pop vinyl, and it's called Snowy Day or Snow Day. Very cool. Hi, I am Pusheen the cat. Hello. Oh, and I'll show you the top as well. Very cool. And then there's that side too. Okay, let's open it. Get it out. Oh, oh, okay. Wow, so Pusheen and Pip have made a snowman on Snow Day. Wow, that's so cool. Oh, that's the best. Yeah, I kind of wish I didn't have to cancel this crate and could only get 1 for now, but like I said, I definitely will get it again in the future. When I have more money. And this, I guess you can see inside the box here. Pusheen there. Yeah. So that was pretty good. Yeah, like I said, I didn't want to cancel it, but I don't really have a choice at the moment. I'm definitely going to get this crate again in the future, and hopefully I'll get more cool stuff like what I got today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.